We all know the big names in streaming: Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, but here's something cool that most people don't realize. You don't need to be a massive company to create your own streaming app anymore. I know it can sound complicated. You might wonder if it's expensive or if your niche is even big enough to make a streaming app worth it. To answer that, I'm going to show you how a niche fishing channel called Carpfix built their own Netflix-style platform that their members absolutely love. It started with a couple guys who wanted to make great videos for people who were just as into carp fishing as they were.
I've always had a passion for filming, and the other business partner, Daryl, he's always had a passion for fishing. So it was a simple case of combining the two. He had the brains for the fishing, I had the kind of the business brains, or the filming brains and the creative side.
But they ran into a problem that I bet a lot of you can relate to. They needed a reliable way to make money from their content that wasn't tied to ads. Ad revenue just isn't predictable, so it wasn't a good model to support their business or fund their documentary quality productions. So the guys at Carpfix created their own streaming app where their fans could get all their content for a monthly subscription fee. But they went further than a stylish and intuitive video catalog. They launched an app where their content, community, and live streams could merge into one epic experience for their members.
Members like to experience content in different ways. Not every member is the same. Some of them watch one video, some of them like a live video, some of them may listen or watch our live shows, back on repeat, or they'll go on the community tab. There's a multitude of different ways of people to look at our content.
Building an app like this is simpler than you might think because of no-code platforms like Uscreen, where you can launch your own branded apps for mobile and smart TVs. Let me walk you through exactly how it works. First, you set up your Uscreen account and place your app order. Now's the time to go ahead and create your App Store developer accounts too. You'll be the one to create and own the account. We just build and maintain the apps on your behalf. I talked to our product manager, Joe G, and he said that setting up your developer accounts can take a little bit of time since you might need to create them for multiple platforms, but Uscreen has really thorough documentation to help you along the way. While you're setting up the accounts, you can use the app builder tool that's built into your Uscreen dashboard to submit your brand colors, images, and icons. If you work with a graphic designer, it's a good idea to have them on standby to create the assets that you'll need. You'll also use the builder to submit App Store listing information like whatever you want the description to be and search keywords. Once you've submitted those assets and info, the Uscreen app specialists take over. They've launched thousands of apps at this point and will even submit your apps to the App Store after you review them, of course. And that's it. Our team is with you for the long haul, and the tech wizards on our team are always improving features so you can be confident that your apps will keep up with the times. Now, let's talk about the investment because I know that piece is important. Yes, building an app does cost money up front, but here's what our research shows. Creators who add apps to their platforms see an average of 30% increase in their revenue. Why? Because apps make it so easy for your members to engage with your content, leading to better retention and more annual subscriptions.
One of the things that I would have liked to have done is, taken the punt and put the iOS and the Android apps out sooner. Because if we did that, we might even have more members than we do now.
In fact, we found that creators with apps sell 1.6 times more annual subscriptions than those without. And more annual subscriptions means even more predictable revenue. But there's another benefit that might surprise you: time.
One of the things that Uscreen really does that you don't really realize unless you think about it is they save an awful lot of time. There's a lot of things in the back end, like the marketing or those admin things that take up a lot of time. Those things are already done, which it gives me more time back to concentrate on what I should be doing, which is making videos, which is what our members want to watch.
Building with Uscreen will save you time and earn more for your business. And the next step is simple. Click the link on screen or in the description to learn more about apps and see examples from creators just like you. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.